Wanna reset your iPhone's control center effortlessly? Watch this. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and select the General section. Now continue to scroll to the very bottom of the page and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. In the next menu, choose Reset and then Reset All Settings. You'll be prompted to enter your iPhone's passcode, and after that, confirm your choice by clicking red button twice. After clicking the button, the phone will perform a soft reset. And that's it. Once your iPhone restarts, unlock it with the help of entering passcode, and then swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center. And then you'll see that it is back to its default settings. That's it. Subscribe for more quick iPhone hacks.